Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 won't start, you are likely facing a frustrating issue. This can happen for various reasons, including a faulty trigger or a malfunctioning battery. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage or even complete failure of your device. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger for your Dyson SV12. Now, let's begin the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure that your Dyson SV12 is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the casing is open, locate the trigger mechanism. It's usually situated at the back of the handle. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently disconnect the wires attached to the trigger. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the trigger in place. Apply steady pressure, but be cautious not to strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, you can lift the trigger out. Take your new trigger and fit it into place, ensuring it aligns properly with the screw holes. Reattach the screws and reconnect the wires, making sure everything is secure. After you have replaced the trigger, carefully reassemble the casing, pressing it back together until you hear it click into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test it to ensure it starts properly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your device clean and free from dust. Regularly check the battery and replace it when needed to avoid starting issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.